Hello everyone, welcome to Zexus development. In this video, we are going to install an EMS training camp into our FiveM server. So without any further ado, let's get to the installation process. So this is the map which you are going to install into a FiveM server. I'll put the link in the description below. You just need to click over here and download the map. After downloading it, we just need to extract the file. Now open the file, go to FiveM folder, then copy these folders from here. Then paste it into your FiveM resource folder. So I'll be pasting it over here. Just like this. So yes guys, that's it for the installation part. Now let's start the server. So we are in a server now, and over here you can see this is the EMS training camp which is over here. And this is the location in the map as you can see. So let's get inside over here. So this is the area of the entrance. There is a fake body over here to train the EMS as you can see. And all other equipments you can see over here. So this is the area of the EMS training camp. So yes guys, that's it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you enjoyed the video, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more videos related to FiveM development. Goodbye.